Now we're going to property D. Probability of set being greater than minus A. And see what happens here. This will be minus A is here, and we want the greater region, which means we want this region. But now, because we don't have a negative thing in phi, so we'll transform this to positive. So this will become positive here, and this region will be now this region, this red region. So it means probability of set being greater than minus A is phi A. So find an example. For example, let's say we are required to find probability of z being greater than 1,16. So this will be equal to, let me just go to black. This will be equal to, let me just put a negative sign there. So our minus 1,16 is here, and we want the greater region, which is this region. So we transform this negative 1,16 to positive 1,16, and we want this region. And we want this region. So this will be just phi of 1,16. And from tables, this will give us 0,877. Okay. So we'll go to our next property. That will be property A. That will be probability of minus A being less than Z being less than B. Maybe let's start by putting all values positive here. Let me just remove that negative. So in our sketch, this will be something like this. We go to phi B minus phi A. For example, let's find probability. Let's find probability of 1,18 being less than Z and Z being less than 1,5. Let's try and sketch this in our graph. So this is 1,5 and this is 1,18, and we want this region. This is our phi z. So using this property, this will be phi 1,5 minus phi 1,18, which is equal to from tables 1,5, 1,5, this will be 0,9332, 0,9332 minus phi 1,18, 1,18, this will be 0.881, 0.881, and we subtract these two and get 0,9332 minus 0.881. This will be 0,0522. So this will be our answer. And this will be the last property for this video. That will be property F. What happens if we are asked to find probability of minus a being less than z being less than minus b? Our diagram, this will be like this. This will be minus a, and this will be our minus b, and this will be our mu 0. So we want to find this region. So first things first, to transform this to positive. So after transforming, we'll get something like this, b and a here, and we still need this. So this will be phi of b minus phi of a. So maybe to find an example, let's try finding probability of minus 1 less than z less than minus 2. Sorry, this will be, I think I get a, this will be minus 2 and minus 1 here, because minus 1 is bigger than minus 2, right? So we'll put minus 2 here, and we put minus 1 here, and this will be our 0. So first of all, we'll transform these two so that we get 1 and 2 here. So what is our phi z? This will be equal to phi of 2 minus 5 1, which is equal from the tables. 2 is 0.9972, 0.9972. I'm not sure about that. If I took it correct, 9772, then 51, that would be 8413. 8413 772. And after subtracting these two, and 772 minus 0.8413, this will be 0.1359.